All right, so today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 1s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Revenge by Snot. Really good song, go listen to it, and yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. All right, so we got the UNC 1s today, just a regular Jordan 1 box. I got a size 9, got these for retail, and yeah, let's just take these out, man. You guys already know what they're gonna look like. All right, let's put that to the side, close this up. In case you guys are wondering, go true to size on these. They fit just like every other Jordan 1, which is for me is true to size. And yeah, these are beautiful, man. Really good shoe. And let me just spin them around for you guys. Really happy I was able to pick these up for retail. In case you guys are wondering, quality, really soft leather on the toe box, even like right here, it's really soft. Materials, it has like that nubuck material. You can see it changes color when you move it. So just really good quality. The one bad thing about this shoe is the quality control. A bunch of shoes are messed up. I did see one shoe that had a missing tag right here, and it was real, that came from sneakers. My pair actually has glue marks all over it. You can see there. Right here, it's actually a pretty big glue mark all around the shoe. There are a couple, nothing too crazy. I do have a couple loose threads here and there, but overall I would say mine is in pretty decent condition compared to others. And here, let me show you the shoe all by itself right here. Yeah, really nice shoe. Also want to point out, it does come with blue laces. So it comes with blue and black laces. Personally, I'm actually going to put white laces on these. Here, I'll put up a picture of how it looks like with white laces. Looks fucking amazing. And I just think white laces are the best on this shoe. So I'm really excited to wear these, man. These are such a nice sneaker. Amazing quality. Quality control isn't great, but other than that, it's just a really, really solid shoe. Even up here, leather is extremely soft. Really good quality. Spin it around one more time for you guys. So again, go true to size. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.